Have a seat. I have a surprise for you.
I wonder what is that now.
Okay, so you left this in Jamaica, and I was kind of mad at you. I don't know why you leave it, but I have something. There you go.
Oh my God! Thank you!
Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. It's your boy Ty here. Hope you all enjoyed the last vlogs and the previous vlog before this one. Now today vlog is going to be a little bit more, can I say, let's just see what the day brings to us. First and foremost, before the vlog even begins, I'm about to surprise my mother with a gift I gave her for her anniversary 2 years ago, no, last year basically. Yeah, she left it in Jamaica. I'm about to give it to her now, and let's just get a reaction for that, and let's see what else the day has for us. So touch like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends them, and let's go for the vlog. You dig? So guys, I'm gonna show it to you now. Here it is, guys. So it says Jamaica and Smile Mom. She left it. I'm about to give it to her. So let's get the reaction. Okay. Alright, cool. Yeah. There you go. There you go. There you go. Ready? No, I get something. Yeah. Have a seat. Have a seat. I have a surprise for you.
I wonder what is that now.
Okay, so you left this in Jamaica, and I was kind of mad at you. I don't know why you leave it, but I have something for you. There you go.
Oh my God! Thank you! Oh my! I left my key!
You see? Imagine your anniversary gift.
God! I left my key!
You see, she changed it same time, guys. She's so happy. Yes. Yes.
You know, I think I lost it on the way though, because I came here with a bunch of keys and I said, oh my God.
Remember at the airport you were like, what she said? Should I check with my key? No, Ty, put it back. They threw it in the car. You left it.
God no.
Oh, she's changed it same time. Oh, she's happy. Read what it said. You ever read it yet? You ever read it yet?
Yes.
What does it say?
Jamaica smile, man.
Oh, why? Okay, I'm glad you're happy.
Yeah.
And don't lose it again.
I'm gonna give you a key already.
Okay, I'm coming on. Put on my jacket. So, guys, she was happy. She was surprised. She thought she lost it when she actually left it on purpose. But yes. Now let's go and see what the vlog has for us today. Okay?
Eventually.
You can't be
so
one
just,
piece, you know.
pardon? So we just pick up your phone like your video, man. Yeah.
Are you? Is YouTube like a post upon?
Yeah. See, I go subscribe to YouTube channel, right? So show it. Some just make a TV stand. We don't follow in the book. Just to see what we never follow the book. Yeah?
I mean, I said, girl, in a nice way. Because some people take offense.
You have to send it to me.
A lie, so you have
Your YouTube channel.
You already sick at them about God, I'm too.
Soon tune in back.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. I like to love you every day. to love you.
We can come in a video.
And that me never want. Me never want to go shut up with nobody for them to put me on advantage.
One famous.
Why am I pull out that thing? You're supposed to pull out that Tyree?
What you do?
Yeah, pull out this.
Why?
Because when I shelf them, you can't go between with this.
Oh, you know someone I shelf them.
It's supposed to be on.
Lee inside supposed to be on that tiny bag.
I like to love you night and day.
No, 2 years time. But hold on then, Tyree. And that part they must be around here so? Yeah. It must spin around the other way. Because the raw edge must see. I same thing we do, you know. That's the same thing we did do. That's why I pull out that machine.
Let me go and pause it.
But guess what? All you do, just flip this round, Tyree. That's all. Flip this round and make that shot.
Pause it. So I did that me alone. I got no help. Alright, so I got a little help from Ricardo. She just look. It's hers, but she just look. Yeah.
No, I did most of the work, so did he.
Okay. Okay, guys, that's the end of this vlog. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe and like the video. As you can see in the last clip, I actually helped a friend of my mom build her TV stand, etc., etc. I don't know, and the man carry. Yeah. So I'll see you in another 2 days. Peace out. Subscribe, like, share, comment, everything. Let me know what I want to say, but I don't know. I'm cool. Let's see me out the door. I don't see the sun. I'm cool. Just know I'm cool. People in my yard, I'm still cool. Really supposed to white, you see? But I'm that.